I just don't understand chicks. You know, women. Chicks. You know, chicks. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Do you understand chicks? Oh, look, they're shopping. See, they're shopping. These are chicks shopping. Chicks is a slang term used to describe women. This chick likes shopping a lot. It is used to describe women because, from a man's perspective, a baby chick and a woman are very similar. A baby chick is very bright, just like a woman. A woman has very bright hair. She likes to style her hair. So just like a chick. A baby chick is also helpless. Women's arms are very thin, and hence they're just like chicks. They can't do certain things by themselves. Very sexist imagery here, but this is used even today. Also, of course, chicks are helpless. They're infantile, and of course, a man wants to take care of his woman. And from his perspective, women are kind of infantile. They need to be taken care of. Finally, women have very high-pitched voices. Wee, 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 wee. And chicks also have high-pitched voices. They tweet, 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 tweet. So women also sound like chicks. This term is still used by men, especially men 30 to 50 years of age. Chicks. I just don't understand them.